Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am going to tackle this drawer, which contains my workout shirts. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. This is episode 8 of my drawer clean out in my bedroom. I am finding that I have so many items that are geared around working out or like athleisure wear. I had a drawer of sweats. I had a drawer of leggings and yoga pants. I had a drawer of hoodies. I had a drawer of something else that I cannot remember that was workout related. And then I have this drawer. So it seems like maybe after I finish these tiny tidies, I need to revisit and see if I really need all of this workout attire. But I mean, like, honestly, I'm decluttering what I don't wear. So maybe I just need to like work on the arrangements of it and put it, like maybe I can free up a drawer or something like that. But Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are put together by my friend Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple. I will link her channel in my description box below. She so kindly is putting our playlist together for us while Sunday Dawn is out on her little hiatus. Hopefully she will be back soon. I will also link today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below so you can get lots of tiny tidying motivation. So let's check out what's in this drawer. So this is the drawer we're going to do today, and I will be 100% transparent. When I know that I have a drawer coming up that I'm going to do on a video, I just throw things in here because I know that I'm going to be like deep cleaning it. But this contains all of my workout tops, all the way from like sleeveless to workout tops that have sleeves. So I'm going to just start by taking all of this out. I'm going to wipe down the drawer and put in my fresh sachet. So I am thinking, because they were kind of out of order and a little chaotic in the drawer, the best thing for me to do next is just to separate the items. Like I have the long sleeve shirts that have the little zippers. I have just regular long sleeved. So I'm just going to like separate them by category. And then I'm going to see if I have any to declutter. On the grass. So you're going to see the different piles. I have my quarter zipper shirts here. I have sleeveless shirts. I have a pile of short sleeve shirts. I have a pile of long sleeve shirts, and I have just a couple of like the running tanks. So I'm just going to sort through all of these, fold them up nice and neat, and put them back into the drawer.
I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, your beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh.
Okay, so this is what this drawer looks like. I took the zippered long sleeved and put them here, and then just the regular long sleeved here. And because those take up more room, so in the front, I did like my short sleeves to my sleeveless to my little tanks, and I still have some extra room, so that is good. And I think it looks all nice and neat. Now I'm going to show you all of the items that I decluttered. So I decluttered this blue tank top. So that's one item. I decluttered this pink Superwoman short sleeve shirt. So that's two items. I decluttered this black short sleeved shirt. So that's three items. I decluttered this pink shirt, so that makes four items. And I decluttered this one. I don't know if you guys remember, but I wore this one with the pants that I decluttered in a previous video that had the pink stripes. So I do not wear this one anymore. So that's four. I decluttered this like little hoodie type thing, so that's five. And then I decluttered this half zipper one. So that is six items. So I managed to declutter six items. So I think that's pretty good. So I just want to take just a second to thank you guys so much for watching this. I want to take just a moment and thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember to check out that playlist for more tiny, tidy motivation. And I will see you guys next time. Love you all. Oh, remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.